Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your reviews in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. It opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu, and then at the top we find your reviews. We tap on this, and here we can see our reviews and our feedback that we have given. If we have changed our mind about something, we can delete it here, and here we have the categories in which we might have added a review: beauty and health, home and kitchen, I don't know, men's underwear and sleepwear, stuff like this. And we can browse the items that are suggested for us here, and we can order, we can leave a review as well, but that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.